This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome to DanceFit. Today I have my friend Carla with me, and we're going to be doing an electro swing dance workout today. DanceFit is a great way to burn lots of calories and have a lot of fun. This class is a total body workout and it's intense in the cardio, but that's also going to depend on how much energy you exert yourself. So if you want to kick it up, kick it up. If you want to calm it down, just have fun. You don't need any equipment for this workout, but I do recommend that you wear some tennis shoes so you have a little more support. All right, so here you're gonna bring your foot forward and kind of bend at the knee, flex those arms or hands, and start with a little hip. Good. 8 more. And switch the feet. 8 more. Switch again. And switch here. Now here we're gonna add to it. So 4 here, and then arms out, 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 and down. 4, arms out, 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 down. Good. Again. Arms, 1, 2, 3, down. 2 more times. Last one. Now here we're gonna run to our side. Run and shake and run and shake. Two more times. Shake it. And back to those hips. 1, 2, 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Again, 8 times. Switch. Now add a little combo for 4, 3, 2, 1, out. Good. Back to just those hips for 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Switch. All right, so here you're gonna release those hips. You're gonna start with that foot forward again. Flex those hands, and we're gonna get that rhythm of the music. Here, in and out. Good. 8 more times. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch. In and out. And switch it up again now. 8 and 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch. 4 more. 3, 2, now 4 and 4. Here, 4, 3, 2, switch. 4, 3, 2, one more time. And switch. Now here you have a new move. You're hit, down, hit. Once you got it, show me your hip, pop it out. Eight more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, new move here. You tap, tap, and run. Tap, tap. Bigger now. Have fun with it. You want to get that heart rate up. Two more times here. Good job. Back to that first move, in and out. A few more here. Let that heart rate come down a little bit. Switch. Good job. All right, so here you hear that pace of the song. It's gonna go a little faster. You're gonna turn your body. You're gonna give me a little kick step. So kick, ball change. And if this is too challenging, you can just kick and tap. Up to you. Now kick it up, whichever one you wanna do. 8 more to this side. And here, switch, so kick, kick. So depending on what you wanna do, you can kick and tap, or kick it up with that ball change. Eight more here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch. Kick. Now here's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, switch. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Again, last time. Kick. And switch. Good job. Here we're going to introduce a new move. Here you got 2 taps. 2, single, single together. 2, 2, single, single together. Good. Now if you want more, you can kick it, kick, kick, single, single together. Up to you. Few more. One more here. Bring it to center, step, step. 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. Good. Let that heart rate come down. 4, 3, 2, and switch. And switch. Kick. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 4 more. Here's 4, 3, 2. All right, here, bring those legs down. You're gonna let that heart rate come down, and we're just gonna start with our hip, popping down. Good. You can pop that foot forward, and now we're gonna add our arm. We go out, up, out, and up. Good. A few more here. Good job. And switch sides. So start with that hip, just bringing it down. Good. Now here we're going to add that arm, roll it out, up. A few more. Last one. Now here, bring those arms up. Deep breath in. You worked really hard, and then bring it down. Now here to your side, reach. And switch. And bring it back to center, deep breath. Bring it all the way back down into plie. And up. Again. And now here, bring those feet together, bring those hands together. Those hands are just gonna go to your side and little hip hops. 2 and 2. Good, and let it flow. Bring those arms up. Thanks so much for joining us in this DanceFit workout. We hope you had a lot of fun and burned a lot of calories in this class. I recommend that you do this class 3 to 5 times a week to really get your heart rate up and have fun in the movements and making them bigger each time you do it. Have a great rest of your day and join us for another DanceFit workout soon.
Many of our subscribers don't see our videos. Make sure that you click the notification bell. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.